Hello.
Hello, hello. Welcome back here to Wolterman Homestead.
It's Ellie.
Megan.
And this little baby
And we have Miss Evelyn. But fall has arrived
Right.
here and it is beautiful, isn't it, Ellie?
Yes.
What color tree is your favorite this fall?
It's red.
You like the red
would be my
trees?
favorite.
But being out here in the woods now, surrounded by all the forests, it's gorgeous. And just all the leaves behind me. Just all the leaves everywhere. It's just absolutely beautiful. But today, we're gonna come down here to the valley, the bottom pasture, and cut up that tree that Dylan had brought down around the barn and just go for a nature walk. There's a project that we want to get done today too, so we just want to, I don't know, take you along and show you our 40 acres of woods and check our deer cameras and the deer stands and just all of the things. I don't even think the camera does it justice, but all of the beautiful fall. You're trying to clear a path? They're fine.
Look how dead these trees are.
One of the beautiful things that we love about this property is that we can do so many nature things and homeschool things like mixed together. So Ellie has a nature journal on a clipboard and Easton did not want to participate with us. He wanted to stay with Dylan because Dylan is working over there. You can probably hear him. But so Ellie and I came down one of the paths, and Miss Evelyn too. And she's doing one of her nature journal days. So in what she's working on,
I am drawing this, well, you can't really see it very well. I'm drawing this really pretty type of leaf on this board. So dirty.
one of the things that we have found in walking this property is that we have creeks throughout it. And it is really nice to, you know, have running water on your property, which right now we haven't had a good rain in a while, so there's not like water in it. But it's always a plus to have moving water on your property. But that is where we are, sitting on the edge of this little creek bank.
So I just drew this.
Ooh, I like how you drew it.
And while I'm sitting here, I don't... Whoops.
Oh, you just pulled that out of the ground.
So yesterday we went for a nature walk and we realized that most of the trails that were here by the previous owner lead back to the house. So that was pretty cool.
Yeah, and it's nice for the kids too. Like, just to know that, to have that aspect. But in going for a walk yesterday, we found something exciting. There's a deer stand back here somewhere that she left. So we were really excited to find that, and we found the second food plot. So she had two food plots. There's one up front, and then there's the one back here on the back part of the property. And so we're just excited for deer season. We put up a couple cameras. There's definitely some activity. Maybe I'll throw in a couple teaser video pictures so you guys can see the wildlife that we've got going on here.
Tonight we brought the chainsaw with us, cleared some trails, had some fallen trees to get better access up here. So really pleased we got those out of the way, and they're all clear.
Yeah, I think there's one more.
There's one more. One more.
Makes me nervous. You know, just watch it. But what is your quote you always say? Hard work and determination. You can get stuff done.
Yes.
That tree's strong, man. I don't
Watch your phone. It's barely holding. Do not go under that thing again.
not. I don't get how we're gonna knock it down.
It's going.
Get back!
Well, that is it for today. We are going to head to the house and get some supper going. But as always,
Take care. And
God bless. Bye, guys.